Hey everybody, Sleuth here. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the rain coming down right now. About an hour ago it was 90 degrees. Now it's 78. And the rain is coming down. Just kick back, watch it for a little while. It's pretty cool actually. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube much lately. A couple issues going on here and there, but later on this summer, maybe even earlier, I'll be hitting the streets again, hitting the backwoods, and let's see what we can see. Just everybody be careful out here, 'cause they're predicting some pretty high winds and possible tornado activity. Yeah, look how it's whipping them trees around. Yep, there's that RV that darn near took me out. One of these days I'll get it out of here. And sitting right there is the replacement for the Black Stallion, which I ended up having to sell. And it's going to be a while before that one's on the road. I'm going to take it apart, strip it down, paint it a good shade of red, make it a pretty truck. That way everybody will notice me when I'm out. I don't know if you can see too well. I've got seagulls flying around here. They're in their element. And the rain is slacking off, so I'm going to shut this down. Everybody out there stay safe. Have a wonderful evening. Sleuth out.